Gold against US dollar this week has rise in value, and we can see that the price has formed a bullish breakout here on a Thursday. The price going above 23.50, which is currently first resistance level that has been formed on the chart, and we can see the price is turned back up, going above and reaching 2430, which is all-time high price level for the price for the gold. And on a Friday the price returned back down. The price has returned all the way below 23.50, which means invalidating this bullish breakout. On the weekly time frame, we can see that this is some kind of bearish pin bar formed here on the chart. And let's see, just a minute, I need to remove this one on the higher time frames to see only on the daily. We can see this is a weekly candle that has been confirmed with this bullish breakout but did not make another one. So this is a bullish breakout that has been confirmed, and this is the next support level that will hold the price 2300, that will prevent the price from falling down. So on the monthly time frame, this is another bullish candle that the price is reaching all-time high, and we have 2 more weeks until this month ends. So how the month will close, it depends on the daily and the weekly time frame, and we have 2 more weeks to see how the price behaves. For now, the price is inside the bullish mode. It is in the uptrend, so anything that is pointing to go against the trend will not be so wise. So we need to be careful and to go to the lower time frames to see how the price behaves around the support levels and resistance levels. For now, this is how this looks. It is a bullish candle. Anything can change in the next 2 weeks, so we'll see what happens. On the weekly time frame, this is a pretty strong candle and also bearish pin bar, I would say, that has been formed here, but currently the price is in the uptrend, so I'm not inclined to see easily to the price to reach lower levels. On the daily time frame, this is something what I'm expecting. This is something that what I can see, and that is that the price could reach this area around 22,300, which is the first support level for the price, because currently the bullish breakout has been validated. The strong sell-off has happened on the market on the Friday, suggesting that buyers have exited their trades and the sellers have entered in the trades, which is suggesting further decline down. So this is something that I'm expecting. The first level where the price could reach is 23.23, and after that 2300. So this will be also some kind of bearish breakout that has happened on the market, but I need to see the price going below 23.33 in order to see the price going even more down. So this is the target for the next week. The price will turn back down, and I will see what happens. Will the price also again make a bearish breakout going down, or the price will reverse back up, forming another bullish breakout? This is something that we'll see on the daily time frame, and I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.